Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a private join link for collaborators in Replit. The first thing I want you to do is open up the app where you want to do this. So open up that app in your workspace and then you just come here to the top right. You'll click on this icon. It shows a person with a plus icon. This will allow you to invite collaborators. And then here you'll open up the multiplayer tab. And what I need you to do, where you see private join link, I want you to first toggle this one on. So we're enabling this and then we can see join link has been created. So you can just go ahead and copy this join link and you can go ahead and distribute it to collaborators to your preferred communication method. And the people who we have given this link to will be able to join and they'll be able to use that app. They'll be able to edit on it. If you want to revoke access, just click on generate new link and the older people will not be able to use the previous link. You'll just be able to use the new link and just go ahead and share that one. And that is how to create a private join link for collaborators in Replit.